The two numbers are in ratio 9:7 and their sum is 240. Find the numbers. The two numbers are in ratio 9:7 and their sum is 240. Find the numbers. Solution will be let the two numbers be 9x and 7x. According to the relation by the question, nine x plus 7x is equal to 240. It will be 16x equal to 240. That means x will be 240 over 16. X will be equal to 15. The value of x is 15. So the first number will be 9x, that is 9 into 15, which is 135. Second number will be 7x, which is 7 into 15, which is 105. So these are the two numbers which are in ratio 9:7. It is our answer.